Are you the one who just keeps quiet in a meeting and just wait for the meeting to get over? Are you the one who do not ask any question thinking about my question is going to be waste? See, if you are thinking like this, then my friend, you are vulnerable in this unforeseen situation where there are people who are getting laid off, where there are people who are getting kicked out of the company, and where there are pay cuts, job cuts, and you could be one of them if you're not contributing in a meeting. See, if you are invited in a meeting, that means there are certain considerations for you to be a part of a meeting, to part of a discussion. And if you think that you can contribute in any which ways, start contributing now. Ask any question. It's okay. No question is wrong. Maybe they will say, okay, this is not the right question, or maybe they will defer that question. Just start asking questions, get clarity of the discussion point. And if you think you have a valid point, please upfront put up the point and start discussing around that point. So you never know, when you start putting up a point, they might find value in that discussion point. And if there is a valuable discussion around a point you have put up, you will be considered as an authority, you will be considered as a knowledgeable person, and you will be considered as an SME in that sector. You see, one small act of asking a question or putting up a point will build up a huge authority in the team. People will start considering you as someone who can give valuable inputs in a discussion. Think about if you are considered as someone who is valuable to the team because you give nice suggestions, ask great questions, and if you are restricting yourself in asking questions and asking or giving inputs, then you are creating a bad scenario for yourself. You are pulling up negativity towards you, and people will say, this person is not giving any inputs, let's lay them off. So if you do not want to be that person who is a victim of these unforeseen situations, if you want to excel in your career, start giving inputs in your critical meetings. There are 7 elements which will help you build yourself recession-proof. I am doing a webinar. Click the link in the description to join the webinar to understand what are these 7 elements that will help you build yourself recession-proof. Even if it's not a recession, but these 7 elements will help you build your career, build yourself as an ace performer, and build yourself as someone who is considered as a subject matter expert, which will always help you survive these unforeseen situations. So I'm on a mission to transform 1 million lives by redesigning their approach with my process-driven framework to make them an ace performer at workplace. So if you want to be an ace performer, join that webinar. The link is in the description. Do not miss this opportunity. I may not do this very often, so grab this opportunity of being a part of this particular community where everyone is an ace performer. So if you're liking this video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified when there's a new video uploaded, and join my community. The link is in the description, where I share a lot of information which can help you transform yourself to be an ace performer. So be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.